Good morning po. I'm Mr. Gerald Bautista, the founder of Developing App Solutions Corporation. And dito po kami to partner with Testa. We are a software company that specializes on the making of apps, particularly on the native languages. And ang concept po namin right now is to introduce the graduates into the digital space. So, ang goal po nito is, tumapansin po ninyo, kung ngayon, nabubok ang taxi through your phone, ang pagkain, ganito, pwede ka rin magpa-deliver, this time, pwede ka naman mag-book ng serbisyo. So, with our serbisyo, our brands, dito, our SkySpec graduates can go into the digital space ng libre. At ang maganda po nun, dito, masasarap po natin yung gap between the enrollment and good po sa earning opportunities nila. Ang tendency po nito, mas mabilis silang mag-book, magkakaroon kagad sila ng income